Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I will be doing a haul again. So if you guys have seen my last haul, I have told you guys that I bought a huge stuffs on Boxing Day. So yeah, there are some from Boxing Day and some are from like after Boxing Day. So yeah, I think this were from Boxing Day. I have got no idea, but today I will be showing you guys some of the products I got from JB Hi-Fi and City Beach and Kmart and also Target. So these were some of the stuffs I got and like I want to organize this stuff. Like I have to put these stuffs away just because my beauty room is full of stuffs, like it's lying everywhere and I have to arrange them. And literally I did my clean up yesterday and my makeup stuffs are all organized and I am so happy that my makeup desk is organized. Everything is at its right place, just because when I am applying makeup, when I am doing makeup, I want to get the products from the right place. I don't want to like start finding stuff because I never find stuff. So I have decluttered some makeups out like yesterday, but I forgot to make videos, but I did declutter a huge amount of makeups which I will be giving it away to people who need it. And like there are some which I never used, and like if we buy lots of products and we don't use it, it's like we have to give it away. So now let's begin. And first thing I will be showing you guys I got from City Beach. Yeah, City Beach. Okay, I don't know what is in here. So again I can see hat. Well, the first thing is this hat. These were like two for $30. So it's like one hat is like $20 and two is for $30, which is good. And I think this two is for my son or my husband. One is for my son, one is for my husband, I don't know, but they got it, so I really like them. Looks good. This looks cool. This one too, I love this color. And this is what it says here, and it has this type of strap here. And like if you guys have seen my Culture Kings haul, you guys would have seen lots of hats there. So my boys are loving hats these days, and they love hats all the time. Like boys love hats, and I do love them too if they are from good shops like Culture King. And City Beach hats are really good too, and it's not like affordable all the time, but these were on Boxing Day, so these were two for $30. And the next stuff is, I don't know what is in here. Oh, it's a watch. So my son got this watch from this same brand, like hat brand of this watch. I have got no idea what was the price. I think this was, okay, let me check. This was $39.99, and like it wasn't on sale. So like City Beach that day didn't had much sale, so this was full price I paid. But like if you guys can see, it has lots of stuff here if I am showing it the right way. So this is very cool. So these were all the stuff I got from City Beach. And now let's move on and see what I got from JB Hi-Fi. So JB Hi-Fi stuff comes like this. As you guys know, I just bought this best gaming headset. I don't have the product inside just because my son is using it and it's in his room, so it's very cool. It changes light here, so if I get a chance I will record a video him wearing it, so I will be just showing you guys here how it looks. So it's very cool, and the light changes here, and sometimes it go orange, red, blue, and it looks like this. And this one was $149. So if you get a game with this, then I think the price will go down a bit, but we didn't buy the game. We paid the full price for this headphone, and this is a gaming headphone, I think, and headset. Looks really cool, and I will be like leaving a video here on how it looks. Like my hair, I will be doing it like a video. I will be showing you guys how I did it, and looks really cool. I don't know how the lighting is taking it, but it's like that brown color. It's not orange or something, it's brown, but I don't know, I hate the lighting sometimes. So this was one stuff from JB Hi-Fi. Now I've got no idea what I bought from Target and Kmart, but let's see. First thing is this hangers. I wanted a different one, but it was not available that time, so I bought these black ones. I think, don't know what was the price, but this is really cool. 8 flocked hangers. So I bought like 2 to 3 of these, like 3 sets of this 8 hangers set. So I got 3 of these. Just because I got lots of clothes here, so I have to have some hangers. And my cupboard is full of clothes. That side, my bedroom is full of clothes. This beauty room is full of clothes, and like there's not much space, but I have to declutter lots of my clothes too. So yeah, these were the first 3. And the second ones are this, which comes 12 kids plastic hangers, and there was not much, but I only managed to get this. But I don't like the colors of these two. I usually buy black or white, so I think girls will like it, so they chose this one, and I bought 3 of these. Gosh. So I think these stuffs I'm showing right now is from Kmart, and there are some wipes. I got this one is in these are fragrance free cleansing makeup wipe, and this is paraben free too. And this one is green tea. This one is, it only says fragrance free. This one is green tea. I can't live without this mask. What? I can't live without these wipes. Like, we need it so much. And these are like is 2, I think. Let's see. I think there is one more. So this is one more fragrance free. It contains like 30 wipes, and they are really good. And this is from Beauty Care. I think it's only $2. Oh, there is one more green tea one. My girls have picked up 4. They use a lot too. So I also got 2 of this shampoo and conditioner. like one set, and this is from Tresemme, used by professional. And this one, Saloon Silk for dry freeze prawn hair, and this contains silk protein and argan oil, and it says a smooth and silky feeling. So I love this brand's shampoo and conditioner, and this is, I think, a big bottle. Like you can get this from Kohl's, supermarkets, and like Target, Kmart, all. So this is really good. I really like it, and this is like 900 ml, and like we all use this shampoo and conditioner. So this was, I think, the stuff's from Kmart, but I don't know. Let's see here. I think this one is from Target. So this was down to only $6. This pants I got for my daughter, and this is size 7. Looks really good, the material and this design. I really like it. This is the shorts or short skirt, I don't know, but I think it's a short. And also this one, I don't know what was the price for this one, but it's size 7 to 16 it says, but looks like this, really cool. It's for my girl ELIZA, I think she got it. And the next, oh, I got some more hanger here, good. And some more hanger from Kmart, same black one. And let's see what else I got. Oh, this is a regular fit size 36 pants. I think this one is from Target. This is for my husband. Pants. I have got its denim. Got two shoes, yeah, one pair of shoes. So this one is from Target, $20. Now it was down to $10. I think my son got this for himself. So this shoes is really cool. It was 20, so it's 10 on Boxing Day. It's really good in size 11 because he's big. And the next one is, oh my gosh, it's so hot, God. Okay, so the next one is this shade. This is, I have got no idea, I think Target, from Target. Yeah, it's from Target, and it's really good, and it was $15 down to $7 only. I think my husband got this for himself. It's big, it's not for my son. And the next shade is also down to $7, was $15, size medium. He got two. I think he got one for himself and one for our son. So they are both same. So this is two for them. And also got another short here from Target. And this one, I don't know what was the price, but looks good. It's for both my girls, I think one each. And also got one more short here. This one is in color cream. It says $12. I think they were all $12 each, because these ones don't have price tags. So I think they are look similar. So they are like $12 each. So I really like it. And the next one is from Target too, and this one is like, I think it was $8. No, $12. I don't know for whom these are, but they know. So let's see what else is. I think it's all finished. And also one more stuff was lying, so it's this. So guys, this was it for this haul, and like I will be doing more haul later. So today I have recorded 2 videos already, and I totally love all the stuffs from cold checking, and cold checking's video, if you guys haven't watched, I will link it below in the description box to watch. And I love all the hats from there, and this where all the stuffs from Kmart, JB, Hi-Fi, and City Beach, Target, and like I love everything here too, but mostly the stuffs were for my husband and my kids, and like they were none for me, just because I got lots of stuffs from H&M, Valley and some other shops, I think. But I also have like bought lots of makeups online. I think some already came here. I bought few from Chemist Warehouse, and also I bought a few online, but it didn't arrive yet, so it will be arriving soon, I think. But it's all, they already posted it. I think it's from Tarte, I don't know, but I will be doing a makeup haul later, so that will be a separate video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys love this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you wish to see my future videos, and also join me on all social media sites. All the links will be below in the description box, and I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye. This is Australia, and it's so damn hot.